Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where ChatGPT is not giving answers, then please watch this video. I will help you with it. So first of all, check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection. What is the speed good enough? Because we need a good enough speed for this. The next one is to check the ChatGPT server. This can be a server issue. So check for ChatGPT server status and hit enter, and then go to the OpenAI status. Okay, it needs a while to load. And see, here's the thing, we can check the status whether it's down or not, but in 99% of the cases it's just that the server is overloaded. The server is not down, but there are too many requests. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.